6 signs that you will be rich one day. So today we are going to talk about 6 signs that you see in everyday life that signifies that you're going to be really rich one day. Hello everyone, this is Maitri and you're watching Positivity Sutra. So today we are talking about 6 signs that say that wealth is coming your way, that you're going to get all the money that you deserve, all the money that you have dreamed of, all the money that you wish to get. So even if you're seeing only 2 or 3 of these signs that I'm going to mention in this video, then I think you're on the right path and you're going to get all the money, abundance, wealth, whatever that you dream of, you're going to get it. Trust me on this. If you are seeing these signs, that means the universe is trying to speak to you, your angels are trying to speak to you, and you're seeing synchronicity everywhere in your life. And the universe is telling you that something big is going to happen to you. Something big is coming into your life. It just wants you to open yourself up to these signals, to these symbols, and walk your way towards your goal. Acknowledge these symbols and be grateful to the universe for showing you the light, for showing you the path, And if you're not seeing any of these signals, then don't be disheartened. It doesn't mean that money is not coming your way and you don't deserve to be wealthy or rich. It does only mean that you have to take different courses of action towards your goal, or maybe set different goals, or feel different feelings, And then you'll start noticing that these symbols have started appearing in your life also. And what do you think that means? What does that mean? You tell me. It means that universe saying, hello, how are you? You're on the right path now. I'm showing you these signals, I'm showing you the light, I'm giving you these symbols. Follow this path to achieve your dreams. You are on the right path now. So the first sign that I'm going to talk about today is that you're finding money everywhere. It's not huge amount of money. You're finding like small notes or coins, under the sofa, under your bed, maybe like in your extra old purse, somewhere like that. That is extra money for you. It's not the money that you want to spend. It's the money you have to collect. Take a jar and keep it safe in a jar like a lucky charm. You know what a lucky charm is? A lucky charm is something that brings you more and more luck. That means more and more money for you. So do not spend those small nickels or lose it away somewhere else. You have to keep it safe because it's prize money from the universe to you. It's like a talisman. You have to keep it safe, and that will bring more luck to you, more money to you, more wealth, more positivity and abundance into your life. Okay? The second one that I'm going to tell you is you're winning money now and then, and you're able to find new offers, bargains, discounts, cashbacks, things like that in your life. For example, you have been dreaming of getting an item into your life for a very long time, and it's quite expensive and you're not able to afford it, but you have been saving for it, and finally the day comes when you're going to buy it. You go to the shop, you check out the item, and what you see? You see that this particular item is on discount, or there is some cashback or something like that. So what do you do next? What do you think you should do next? It's a sign from the universe that you're on the right path towards wealth and abundance, and universe is showing you its support through these little surprises. So what you have to do is just close your eyes for a moment and be grateful and be thankful to the universe for giving you this little surprise, for saving you some money, and for showing you that you're on the right path. Okay? Can you do that for me? It's such an awesome feeling, winning these things, getting these signs from the universe. Just have to be aware and just have to be conscious. You have to see and notice your surroundings to see such signs from the universe. Just open yourself up for anything magical. Okay? And other than those bargains and discounts, offer, cashbacks, things like that, you'll also notice if you're a person who likes to play money winning contests like Tambola, Housey, Bingo, or any small contest, you'll start noticing that you're winning at these things. Maybe small amounts of money, but still you have started winning, and you have to realize that you're on the right path. The third sign that I'm going to tell you about is you have been constantly seeing the number 7, be it 777, 7777, 007, 770, or 177, numbers like that. You have to realize that this number 7 is a very powerful number. It bears something spiritual, something eternal inside it. We see this number 7 in our everyday life, but it goes unnoticed. Like there are 7 days in a week, 7 colors in the rainbow, things like that. It's a very magical number. Don't ignore it. If you see it, and you'll start seeing it even more and more, and that will tell you that you have a lot of power within you, and you're going to get whatever you desire, and it's coming really soon. So my third advice, or the third sign in my list, is seeing number 7. Number 4 is you meet successful people more and more in your life. For example, maybe your dream car is a Mercedes. Okay, so you'll notice a friend of yours has bought a new Mercedes. So don't be jealous of their success. What you need to do is bless them. Bless them for their abundance, and abundance come into your life. If you'll get jealous at the moment that why this person is getting a Mercedes and I'm not, then you're never going to get the Mercedes that you are dreaming of. You have to bless them, be happy for their prosperity, be happy for their abundance, and you have to understand that this is a sign from the universe. The universe is telling you that you're going to get your Mercedes really soon. It's on its way. I'm just packaging it nicely, and I'm going to deliver it to you when the time is right. You just need to have faith and believe in yourself. You'll meet really successful people in your everyday life. You'll be really amazed, how much success people are achieving. Just bless them, bless all of them, and you'll be successful. Remember not to get envious, not to have any sour thoughts about these people. Just have to bless them and be happy for them, and be happy that universe is showing you a sign towards your prosperity. The number 5 is a very specific one and a very weird one. It's a dream of having a baby. If you're a woman, you dream of having a baby, and you have to realize it's a sign from a universe that you are pregnant with prosperity. You're going to get a lot of wealth in your life, and it's coming really soon, and it's a very important sign from the universe. If you see such a dream, don't let it go unnoticed. You have to write it down when you wake up in your dream journal so that you don't forget it. Look at it every now and then so that you'll remember that universe has sent you a signal that you're going to get a lot of wealth. And if you are a male, you'll see such a dream with your girlfriend, your partner, maybe your wife, or maybe someone you know pregnant with a baby, and that is the sign for you from the universe. The 6th one is, you'll notice new opportunities coming your way. You'll meet new people. You'll see it in ads. Maybe you'll be sitting somewhere and you'll have a sudden thought that would lead you to prosperity, or a sudden idea, and it will come out of nowhere. So you'll be shocked and amazed. Don't just let it go away or think of it as a coincidence. You have to keep a small pocketbook or a diary or a journal, for writing these kind of things down. Write it down, and you'll see, like in some months or in a few weeks, you'll see something that matches that particular thought, and opportunities will come your way and open up your eyes and your path towards another dream goal that you haven't even realized yet. So what you gotta do is believe in yourself and acknowledge those signs and use those opportunities really nicely, and universe will give you more and more and more opportunities for achieving wealth and abundance. I told you that I'll give you 6 signs that will show you that you'll be rich and wealthy, but here is a bonus one, that is the 7th one and the most important one, and that one is, your mind is constantly filled with money making ideas. You'll always have new ideas. You like sitting somewhere and you're getting so many thoughts constantly. I can make money this way, I can make money that way, so many opportunities, and you're not even able to sleep. You're not even able to do any other work properly because so many ideas are coming into your mind, and you're not even able to decide what you need to do to gain wealth. So, don't be worried. That's a sign from the universe that is telling you that you will be wealthy, you will be successful, and there will be abundance in your life. And it is the best sign of all that you will be rich and successful and achieve whatever that you want in your life really soon. So these are my 7 signs from the universe that tell you that you'll be rich and successful. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, share it wherever you can, and if you have any doubt or if you want to share any thoughts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.